Hello world, it's yours truly G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, you know, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. The late Prime Minister, Mr. Edward Seaga, produced music in the 50s. Eddie Seaga produced music in the 50s. He set up the West Indies Records Limited is the name of it, which was very, very successful actually putting out music. And when he actually entered Parliament, he sold it. Right? He sold it. Guess who he sold it to? Guess who? Byron Lee. Byron Lee renamed it Dynamic Sounds. So Dynamic Sounds was really West Indies Records Limited, which was established by the late Prime Minister, Mr. Edward Seaga. All right? My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.